Good morning everyone, it's Chris O, the tiler from Australia, Gold Coast, Queensland. This morning, how is everyone this morning anyway? This morning I'm concentrating on the bathroom, or today I'm concentrating on the bathroom areas. They are a part that need to be done. Like I've mostly done the floor area, the main floor area. I'm concentrating on the bathrooms now, or the bathroom and the laundry. I'll show you a little trick. What I used to do. I'll just pop this on my head. What I used to do is always leave my wastes out, and more often than not, can you see that? Yeah, more often than not I'd be putting them in when I'm grouting and that sort of thing, and you try and make them a real nice fit. And I'd always chip a tile putting them in, which is a real because you're finishing off and you're grouting and that sort of thing, and it's a real no-no. It's taken a long time to realise that Chris O, put them in as you go. So that's what I do these days, and look at that, that's beautiful. Absolute beautiful. A little bit of glue there. So while it's still green, just take it out. That's cool. It's in, and I don't chip any tiles trying to put it in. What I'm doing here with the shower, I'm going to be going up and over the hob straight down, and I'm going to be laying my floor on the 45. I never ever split my tiles, never ever. I'm no beginner. I've been doing this for 35 years, and anyone that splits their tiles has got rocks on their head. There's no need. Most of the time I set up my whole floor area off the shower waste, but I wasn't able to in this case because the whole thing flows out and onto main floor and everything. It's all the same tile. So what I do in this case is I do something completely different, and that's turn it all on a 45, and then the lines are running down to your waist, and you've got the best fall ever without splitting your tiles. If I would have followed my lines like that, I would have been splitting my tile, because a full tile is, I don't know, sort of like that. So you're splitting your tile to give yourself fall. But you put it on a 45, it's a no-brainer. You wait, I'll show you how to do it, and you'll think, the professionals will think, whoa, why haven't I been doing that? All this is waterproofed with silicone right across that whole line, so no water will go into the toilet or out. It's all waterproofed. In the laundry, I'll be doing the same. I'll cut my square, pop my waste in at the same time. Usually your glue is always too soft and your waste sinks, so the best way to do it is you hold it up with a piece of tile and your plastic strip thing. I've forgotten what they're called. I'll be putting a full tile in there because washing machine and dryer goes in there, so that's cool. I'm going to have a little bit of a hassle with this door, but I've bought my tool kit along from home, so my ring spanners I'll be able to, I've got to adjust it, but the back has fallen off, so it's going to be a little bit of a pain. But as soon as I can adjust it nicely and it goes over the tile, we're home and hose. So that's sort of what I'm trying to concentrate on today, is all this this bathroom and laundry area. But that's cool. I've got a bit still to do out at the front entry, but only not too much. So I want to get into my walls tomorrow. So I'll be going up to the cornice, that wall, and that wall, and this one will just have a piece of skirt and that wall. And I do skirting in the toilet, so I need to get that down today as well. So everyone, don't forget to subscribe. The owners are getting excited because I'm getting closer and closer to the end. And then the bloke can come in and do the skirting. The handyman can come in and do the skirting, and it's getting closer and closer to then putting the furniture back. All right, well, I'll press the button, I'll sign off, and I'll see you shortly. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell. We'll see you soon. Bye.